Hi everyone, I'm Alan and welcome back to Healthy Kitchen 101. Continuing our electric kettle series today, we're gonna be unboxing something really pretty. The Bella Ceramic Gooseneck electric kettle that we bought for $42.74 on Amazon. Now, let's take a closer look at the packaging. Okay, you can see right in the front that the capacity is 1.5 liter. It claims to boil in minutes. Cordless, auto shut off, boil dry protection, 360 base, and 1350 watts of power. And they claim that the ceramic body is scratch free and fingerprint free. So we're going to see about that. Okay, I see no more information. So let's open it up. Okay, first thing I see, instruction manual. I really like this packaging. The base, a really thick foam pad. The lid, be careful so you don't break them, and a kettle. Just to the side, and let's take a closer look. First, our base. So the base is plastic. It has a cold storage below and a 3-prong plug. Very nice. Here we have the lid. It has a plastic rim around for tighter close. And here's our kettle. Not too heavy. Ceramic. Very glossy. Very nice. And you can see inside is the heating element here for more heat distribution. The control is one touch. A little bit small for my liking. It may be prone to breaking, but maybe not. You can also see that there's a minimum amount of water required. The marking is here. Okay, now let's try assembling the kettle onto the base, shall we? Okay, it feels a little bit wobbly, probably because the kettle is a little bit too heavy for the base, but it turns smoothly, so it should be good to use. Now let's try boiling some water. Okay, we're going to pour in 1 liter of water. As you can see, the opening is very large, very easy to get your water in. Okay, so as you can see, when the kettle is on, you see a blue LED light right at the switch. Okay, now we're waiting for the water to boil. Let's take a look at the instruction manual, shall we? Okay, I see some announcements, safeguards, parts and features, before first use, limited 2-year warranty. and also in Spanish and in French. But yeah, the basic stuff. Okay, so I can hear that the water came to a rolling simmer quite quickly. Now let's see when will it boil. Okay, so the water has reached a rolling boil. Let's see when will the kettle shut off. Relatively fast. Okay, as you can see, the lid is very tightly sealed thanks to the plastic. No vapor is coming out from around the lid, only from the spout. The handles stay cool. Interestingly, the lid also stays cool, but the carafe and the spout is hot, so be careful not to touch them. So now let's try pouring the water, shall we? Okay, a little bit heavy in the hand, so be careful, but the contour feels very nice in the hand. Okay, the water flow is quite large for my liking, but it's very steady, also very fast. There you have it, the unboxing of the Bella Ceramic Gooseneck Electric Kettle. First impression, very pretty design, but it's also very practical as well. A PBA-free ceramic body allows you to basically directly boil tea in this, which is something that I assume a lot of you guys will appreciate. And it's got a really fast boiling time as well. But these are just the first speculations. We'll dive more into the design, usability, and most importantly, performance in our in-depth review video in the near future. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel to make sure you don't miss the video when it comes out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!